konti na lang naantay. Start na ng next class ko.
I got this Luigi's shirt. Colorful. Hi guys! So, today is Tuesday. And, ayun, as you can see, nasa bahay lang ako. Kasi, ayun, online week namin this week until next week. So, supposedly, in person kami next week. But, our college decided to exchange some weeks. And also, life update. So, last Saturday, we just finished our experiment sa food prep lab. And it was so fun kasi we did a cooking of meat. So, iba-ibang luto ng meat. Last Saturday din, nag-experiment kami sa microbiome lab and syempre nag-enjoy ang babaeng ito. So, nag-biosafety cabinet. Kami nag-spread plate inside the cabinet. So, ganito siya guys. Wait lang. Look at that! Ganap na ganap. I actually posted this on my IG.
Hi guys, good morning. So, today is Wednesday and it's already 10:14 a.m. So, I'm just waiting for my next class at around 11 a.m. start. So, ayun, magpa-prep muna ako for breakfast. So, I'll just have this overnight oats with strawberry jam. So, ayun na yan. This is for my breakfast. So, 10:24 na rin naman. So, konti na lang naantay. Start na ng next class ko. By the way, strawberry jam na tayo sa homemade. Ginawa siya na ate ko.
Tinola. Perfect yan sa mainit naman ng mga tinola. Flowy.
Chicken biryani po.
Chicken biryani. O diba? So, hindi ka walang maupo dyan. Caring for chicken.
Actually, guys, that is for our attendance. So, ang fun. Kasi ito yung topic namin ngayon. Poultry and poultry preparation. So,
Hi guys! So, it's actually 12:24 a.m. So, I guess it counts as Thursday na. So, right now, I'm just doing a task and while watching The Devil Wears Prada. So, since hindi ko pa mapanood yung Devil Wears Prada 2, I'm just gonna stay with it. I'm gonna stick with this first. Lang, gusto ko na siya i-rewatch. Gusto ko nga i-rewatch yung Princess Diaries. That is so good.
guys, so nandito na kami sa MOA. I am just attending my class online. I also just ordered coffee. This is the salted caramel latte.
Dahil birthday ng kapatid ko ngayon, bibili namin siya ng regalo kasi din namin siya nabilan kahapon. So, mag-check na lang kami sa Pull & Bear and Uniqlo kasi gusto niya nung car collection something sa Uniqlo. Pero we're not really sure with the stock kasi nung nag-check kami sa app, wala nang stock ng shirts and sizes. Isang t-shirt na lang pero parang wala pong stock yung size niya. So baka sa Pull & Bear na lang namin check. Meron silang collaboration with Toyota. Ay, hindi pala. May collaboration sila with Ford. Ayun, so, and Subaru. So, check namin yan. We're gonna check Pull & Bear first. Ayun o, Luigi's. So, si Luigi kasi talaga.
Pero likod doon, diba?
Oo, ito yung harap. Ay, wait lang, bigot. Ito yung harap. Ang ganda nga ng design eh. Cars kasi. Kami nakita kami guys. Kapangalan niya. Sa Cars.
Tsaka makapal na yung tela na
Makapal.
sa suba.
Oh. We got this Luigi's shirt. Okay guys, so we already bought our gifts. So, ito na siya. We're going now dun sa kakainan namin ng dinner. Medyo mainit lang talaga, no? Kasi 5 p.m. na. So, let's go. Hi guys, so nakakuha na ako ng food. Pero, ayun. Hindi ko pa nakakuha lahat. I just got from the Japanese and Korean section. So, I just got like random foods. Kumuha ko ng pasta and some Japanese and Korean foods. Then Thai, then steak and sausage. Happy birthday to you! Hi guys, so right now we're going to our next location. Pero naglalakad lang kami here sa may seaside. Siguro babalik kami sa parking and then lilipat ng pwesto for the coffee shop. Actually, mimit namin yung relatives namin. Naglalaro kami ngayon ng imposter game. Yes.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Yes, guys.
Yes, so up lang din to.
Tayo. Okay. Point po natin yung imposter. Okay na? 1, 2, 3, go. Pinakama namin sa kwento. Luigi, 1. Mga super kagama siya sa'yo. Hindi, i-hold mo siya.
Ganito yung ginawa. Exit na ganito.
Imposter yun. Pag ganon? Pag ganon na lang po. I-hold yung word mo.
Because you don't want the imposter to know.
Wooden. Silicone.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Kailangan ko mag-isip din. Silicone. Tool. Get ko kung bakit. Tool.
Ako na. Rubber.
Rubber. Toy. Toy. Colorful. Colorful.
Imposter.
Round 2 na po. Round 2 na round. Black. Silver. Colorful black, silver. Not. Brown. Baking.
Woodruff.
Ano, sorry?
Woodruff.
Gift pa, lola ko namin. Food lang kasi. Hot. Hot. Kitchen. Shirt. Shirt?
Imposter.
Shirt ba? Shirt? Shirt. Ano ba?
Damit.
I-spell mo na lang.
Shirt!
Ano yung spell na lang?
Short siya ako, short.
Short. Okay na. Okay, ngayon po yung ituturo ko natin yung sino sa tingin natin yung boss. Ready? Ay, may nakataan.
Lahat tayo magbibilang 1 to 8.
Do we still have to point?
Okay, ready?
Ayaw ko sumali.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys, so today is Friday and it's a holiday so wala talaga akong classes at all. So just gonna stay home today and do some tasks again kasi hindi pa rin naman ako tapos sa mga ginagawa ko for the past few days since hindi ko na naman kayang gawin yun all at once. Hi guys, so today is Saturday and it's actually already 11:30 a.m. and I have my dentist appointment at 1. So, ayun, aayos na rin ako in a bit. I also have to attend a webinar pala, later ng 1 p.m. and record yung attendance namin dun. So, tapos na ako mag-ayos. Nakapag-ayos na ako. Nag-sunscreen lang ako and blush on. Kasi, mababasa din yung bibig ko so hindi na ako naglagay ng any lippy. Hi guys, so today is Monday and actually it's already 12:30 p.m. and I'm just getting ready kasi alis kami ng mga kapatid ko. We're going to Alabang today.
Hi guys, so we're currently here now sa Mr. Kebab sa may Alabang West Parade. And it's actually already 2:20 p.m. and magna-lunch pa lang kami. Pero okay lang din kasi late na rin talaga kami umalis sa bahay. Hi guys, so we're here now sa Alabang Town Center. So we've decided to just go to Harlan dito sa sa ATC. So bagong bukas lang siya dito. So guys, change of plans. Sobrang haba ng pila sa Harlan. So, we're just going to the cafe sa Molito. Yung 2050. Tagal na rin namin inaay yun. So, doon na lang kami today.
Automatic na siya. Yes.
Hey guys, so ayun. Babalik na kami ngayon ng ATC. And doon kami nag-park. So naglakad na kami papunta dito sa Molito. Though malapit lang naman talaga siya. Okay guys pala, before we go back, tatry namin yung Cariton, yung gelato here sa Molito. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're here now at Tim Ho Want to eat dinner. Yeah, I just ordered the Hong Kong dumpling soup kasi parang gusto ko mag noodles and sabaw. So yun na lang muna in order ko ngayon.